Hey dudettes and dudles, my name is Ayla and welcome back to the cockatiel. Thanks for proving my point, you little bitch. This guy is almost 1 year old and just as loud as ever. Yeah, it's almost Hamilton's first hatch day, so I figured it would be appropriate to make a video about, well, his first birthday. I'm calling it hatch day because he wasn't birthed, he was hatched. I want to see what kind of bird products Wish has, so I can see if I can buy him some hatch day presents. Hamilton's a fan. Is that just gonna be a thing now? Let's start off with typing in bird. This is cute. Colorful parrot, parakeet, pet bird cage, hammock, swing, hanging, playing toys, new. It's new, people, that's very important. Yeah, random color. So you don't know what color you're gonna get? A photo studio? What's that got to do with birds? Well, he's already got one of these. He has that like on the side of my desktop so he can crawl from the floor and up to the desk. Because sometimes he's a little too lazy to fly. Just like me. Yeah, I can fly. I just don't do it very often. I feel like Hamilton is noisy enough as he is. He doesn't really need a lot of bells. He doesn't need to become a musician as well. Okay, now see, this one, I think I would purchase this because I could put it in his cage and he could climb around it and such. I don't think he would like it to begin with, so it's not gonna be very fun to watch him try it out for the first time because like birds tend to be kind of scared of new products and new objects that they've never seen before. So, but I'm buying this. One size, multicolor, buy. Oh wait, no, never do that. Always buy with the blue one because then if someone buys it with you, it's a little bit cheaper because Wish products really do need to be cheaper. An egg hatcher. It kind of looks like you're about to cook them, doesn't it? You're hard to shop for. You hear me? You're hard to shop for. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Mwah. The fuck is that? 5 pieces set bird-shaped sex toys. There's a kit there. Pet, parrot, bird, bites, climb, chew toys, parakeet, budgie, hanging, swing toy. Well, which one is it? It's all of them. Okay. That is one happy wet boy. No. Okay. That's actually kind of interesting. How big is this? I mean, if that is if that's the size for a macaw, that thing is huge. If that's the case, then this macaw is not actually sitting on it. Bye. No, not my lips. I'm wearing lipstick. You can't eat the lipstick. No. I know you love biting like the loose skin off my lips, but not while I'm wearing lipstick. That's a bad idea. Yeah, no, I don't want you to die. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. I don't know the lyrics. Did you guys catch the video of Hamilton having lemonade? I could pour lemonade into that and have a drink it from there. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word, a bird, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word, a word, a bird, bird, bird. Pacifiers. Why? That is ugly and cute at the same time. It's also for dogs. Wish you're drunk, go home. Yeah. Top-notch editing. Alright. Ariana Grande, what are you doing in the bird tag? You having fun? You just like having your beak there, don't you? I can't say I understand why, but hey, you do you, birdie. So thank you for joining me and Hamilton on our little shopping spree, and I'll see you when it actually is his first hatch day. See ya!